Hello and welcome back to your day-to-day life assisting channel. We are going to talk about a subject that many of us deal with today, getting a $5,000 loan with terrible credit. You don't have to feel ashamed or embarrassed if you are facing such a misfortune, as you are not alone in these financial difficulties are much more common than you think in today's world. We get how difficult it may be, whether it's due to unforeseen costs, medical bills, or simply needing a little extra money to get by. The good news is that people with poor or non-existent credit history can still have options. Let's find out how to get a $5,000 loan without having to worry about your credit being checked. 1. Hard paydays. Hard paydays is our prioritized C=suggestion, and very rightfully so takes the first spot in the list of being the direct loan lender for as big as $5,000 loan without a credit check. The brand focuses on offering flexible payday loans. The amounts of loans here range from $100 to $5,000, all of which is provided to people with poor credit. They are aware that a person's credit score does not always accurately represent their capacity to repay a debt. They provide payback lengths of 3 to 24 months. The interest rates are also very generous and understandable, with the range of being from 5.99% to 35.99% April. The process of a loan here is easier for borrowers to manage their payments. 2. Super Personal Finder. Super Personal Finder is our next best suggestion for bad credit $5,000 loans. This is an online service that fetches couples borrowers with several lenders that provide bad credit personal loans. The likelihood of discovering advantageous loan arrangements that meet specific needs is increased by their extensive network of lenders. Their loan ranges between $500 to $5,000 with generous April. Customers here can apply online without needing to submit a lot of paperwork, with a very simple and easy to approach application process. Super Personal Finder is a practical choice for people in need of quick cash because it allows borrowers to select differing loan amounts and payback plans according to their financial needs. 3. Loan Raptor. Borrowers may more easily evaluate offers from several lenders and identify the best terms with the aid of Loan Raptor. Thus, it's our top 4th suggestion on the list. Their loan ranges between $500 to $50,000. Their easy-to-learn and capture website makes the application process easier to use and helps users make well-informed decisions by letting them compare loan offers side by side. People with bad credit who might ordinarily find it difficult to obtain financing can now access Loan Raptor, since it works with lenders who take into account variables other than credit scores. 4. 24M Loans. Fast cash solutions are offered by 24M Loans. This brand is especially perfect for people with extremely bad credit. They place an emphasis on quick funding and simple applications. The delivery of loans is made through the steps of making sure borrowers in need of financial aid have to fill out as little paperwork as possible. They usually grant loans up to $5,000 and provide a range of repayment plans to accommodate varied budgetary constraints. Money is frequently accessible hours after approval. 5. 50K Loans. 50K Loans is a great choice for individuals who require larger funds rapidly because it links borrowers with a network of lenders that are eager to grant loans regardless of credit background. They stress speedy processing times to provide quick access to funds and concentrate on arranging loans up to $50,000. They give adjustable terms that let borrowers select repayment plans that suit their ability, and their wide network of lenders enables customers to find a variety of loan solutions catered to their financial situations. Conclusion: we hope the video turned out just as great as we expected and that all your needs were answered through our list of the best 5 direct loan lenders of $5,000 with a bad credit score. We encourage the practice of insured and safe loan borrowing understanding to promote the safety of customers. Take notes of your needs and only then say yes to loan negotiations. The best 5 lenders discussed in the video shall help you get out of whatever financial crisis that you have been facing recently. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for similar future content.